Okay, so we're looking to take the derivative of x to the power of x. So let's just write that down here, x to the power of x. Now looking at it in this form, there's no chance of doing any u sub. Integration by parts is not going to work in some sort of backward way. We can't do the product rule, quotient rule, or the sum rule here. So I think the first thing we're going to do is to rewrite this using the log property. So if we take the log of it, we can bring the x out to the front and take the log of x. So that will take us to x out front and then log of x. Only trouble is now we've changed the value of this. So instead of x to the x, we've now got x to the log of x. So this is not the same value. So now we need to get this back to what it was before by taking the exponential. So if we use the inverse formula for log, that should reverse it. So then what we end up with now is e to the x ln x. Put that in brackets just to make it right, I suppose. Okay, and then what we can do is now we can take the derivative of e to the x ln x. So let's just write that down here now. So the derivative of e to the x ln x dx. Now what we have to do here, we take the derivative of x to the ln x, with respect to x, and then we got e to the x ln x, we'll multiply by that. Okay, derivative of x to the ln x, what we're going to have to use here, because we've got two functions here, we've got the x and we've got the log of x. So what we do here now, we use the product rule. So the product rule is like this: f times g prime plus f prime times g. So what we have to do now is assign an f or a g for each one of these. Now it doesn't matter which way around you do it, but on this one I'm going to call f is x and g equals log of x. And just while we got the stuff here, we'll take the derivative of each of these. So f prime of x is just 1, and g prime, so derivative of log of x is 1 over x. Okay, so let's just write that up here now. So f times g prime, that's x times 1 over x, plus f prime times g, so basically going in this kind of action across here, 1 times log of x. And then we're still multiplying by e to the x ln x. Okay, x times 1 over x, well these just cancel out, that leaves us with a 1. And then 1 times ln x, it's just log of x, that's 1 plus ln of x. And again, this is all in brackets, e to the x ln x. And this will be a reasonable answer, but we can do better than that, because what we did work out, that x to the x is the same as e to the x ln x. So to return it in the same notation as what the question is, what we can do, we can say that this equals x to the x 1 plus ln of x. And that will be our answer.